Hello, in this Flutter video I am going to show you the column widget, which is very similar to the row widget, or the sort of row positioning element. And the row essentially puts everything on one row, and the general logic is, because it's not scrollable, you shouldn't put more than you can actually essentially fit on one single line. So these are two different elements. They're both text, but what type of widget they are doesn't matter. So to change it to a column is simple. You just put column. Save there, your hot reload it. As you can see, what's up in there? I just wanted to get rid of that pop-up. Okay, so let's fix that. And as you can see, instead of putting it in the center along the y-axis, put it in the center along the x-axis. And instead of starting on the left, we started at the top. The more items we add, the more we can go down. There's different types of alignment that you can apply to columns and rows to help essentially the way the items are positioned. One of them is cross-axis alignment. So if we did cross-axis alignment, then we got center, end, spread. So if we do start, save that. As you can see, it all starts from the left. It's no longer centered for each element. And let's say if we do end, you can probably guess what that does. It puts it all the way to the end. As the width of the column is determined by the largest widget in there in terms of width, that's not moving. That's the reason why. If you had a bigger one, that one would be essentially the one that's not moving, and the rest will be moving around it. And really, that's it. Like I said, there's different axis alignment types. You can do main axis, cross-axis alignment. You can also do a whole bunch of other things regarding layout. You can obviously check out the direction in terms of which is the main direction, get the key. You can essentially get the text direction as well. But the principles are basically the same. If you have any questions though, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.